What's up guys, my name's Connor, back here at Earth MotorCars again. Today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful 66 Chevelle. In the front right here we got the classic 4-beam headlights up front. We got the 3-piece style wheels up here, and it's got the signature Right Stuff brakes all the way around, drilled and slotted rotors, disc brakes, so you know it'll stop good, upgraded to everything. If you take a look at the door right here, you're kind of missing something. There's nothing to grab right here. So how you open the door in this car is you can either do the old school style, you got to reach in with the window down and pop it, or for a party trick you can pull the keys out, and then on the little remote right here on both sides of the door you can pop the door open, go over, open it, close. Pretty badass not having a door handle right here. Alright, right now we're going to take a look underneath the hood and take a look at this beautiful engine on here too. Pop the hood on here and take a look. It's got the beautiful valve covers, fenders, and even the engine, the intake, the block, everything matches up. It's got this nice teal blue paint job. We've upgraded it right now. It's got a serpentine drive kit on it. It's got the Willwood master cylinder on there. Full ride tech suspension front and rear, so it rides good, everything like that. AC, power steering, upgraded water pump. I mean, everything that needs to be done on a car like this is done. All right, so right now we're gonna take a look at the interior, so come along with me. Again, pop the door. I love opening the doors like this, it's so cool. Okay, so again, power windows, upgraded Dakota digital dash on here. It's got the full badass looking dash. Steering wheel, chrome, aftermarket column that's been painted on here. I mean, the paint in here is beautiful. It matches the body. It's got the nice white leather seats. And you sit in this car and it's like super nice. It's nothing fancy, but it certainly gets the job done. I mean, you will not be disappointed sitting in this, I'll tell you that right now. All right guys, so now let's go ahead and crank it up and we can show you kind of the dash and how it sounds, everything like that. Alright guys, we're back here. Let's go for a quick little test drive and just see how it feels. So, automatic transmissions, put it in drive and cruise. Into. Cruises, man. One finger on the steering wheel, that's all you need. We go through a rigorous inspection. Usually we drive them for about 200 to 300 miles after we get done building them, just to make sure that whenever you guys purchase these cars, no real issues, anything like that. My whole mentality about it is you build a car and then you want to drive it. Nobody really wants to buy a car and let it sit in a showroom and stuff like that. People that buy these cars, they actually want to drive them, and that's our whole mission here at Earth MotorCars. Build a car, drive it, and continue to drive it without it failing on you. We don't want to leave you stranded on the side of the road. So every single car here gets driven over and over again. We check all these issues, everything like that. And as you can see on this one, drives great, no problems. I'm sitting at 180 degrees right now. I have a tank of gas. Oil pressure is at 60 PSI. I mean, you could drive this thing to California and back if you wanted to. That's our whole mission here at Earth MotorCars. It'll spin the tires just a little bit. Yeah, she scoops. Alright guys, that's it for this video. So again, check us out at earthmotorcars.com. My name's been Connor, so thank you for going along for the ride. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe for the next video.